Hey everybody, it's Alex here, and today we are going to talk about how American Express made their gold card even better in 2021 by adding more features to their already awesome card. If you are new to this channel, a warm welcome, and hopefully you'll find answers about credit cards, saving money, growing your income, investing and saving for retirement. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you haven't yet heard, Amex Gold Card is getting better in 2021. With the addition of new statement credits and the return to the stylish rose gold card design, the American Express Gold Card has a lot going for it, so don't let it off your radar. But before we go into details of what's going on to be changing, let's break down what the card is right now. First off, it's currently offering its highest ever public welcome bonus, 60,000 points after you spend $4,000 in your first 6 months. The American Express website might also show you targeted offers for a different Amex Gold sign-up bonus, which is 50,000, 60,000 or even 75,000 points have been reported with the same spending requirement as the regular bonus. You may need to change your browser settings to private or incognito for one of those deals to appear. This offer represents significantly higher bonus than the previous offer of just 35,000 points after meeting the same spending requirements. It's a great card to have, but it's not for everyone. Now, especially if you forget to crush the like button. Just now, right now, American Express Gold Card members earn 4 points per $1 spent at restaurants and US supermarkets worldwide for up to $25,000 in each category each calendar year, and 3 points per $1 on flights ordered directly through airlines or through American Express Travel. There is no doubt that 4 points per $1 is an incredible rate, making this one of the best credit cards to use at the restaurant and at the supermarket. By the way, a little bonus: if you wonder how to get the Amex Rose Gold Card, you will have to apply for the Gold Card and request a Rose Gold version. Now, for Gold Card holders, all you have to do is request a Rose Gold Card be mailed to you using the online chat function of the Amex website and ask the agent assigned to you. These credit cards can help you significantly boost your credit card rewards if you spend a lot in the sections that actually this card covers. Plus, the Gold Card comes with a bunch of perks that frequent travelers will love, including credits to help offset the $250 annual fee. Now, this is quite high, and the big question is whether the Amex Gold Card's annual fee of $250 is worth it. Those who wish to earn rewards using Amex membership rewards points have a mid-range option in the American Express Gold Card. The American Express Gold Card offers 4 membership rewards per $1 spent just about anywhere, and that is more than nearly every other card in the industry. With an impressive rewards rate on both international and US supermarket purchases, the Amex Gold Card is one of the most rewarding credit cards available for foodies. Now, either way, you can easily rack up membership rewards points whether you like to cook at home or dine out. However, $250 for a card is not within everyone's budget. Now, the annual fee on the card can easily be recouped if you order food from services like Grubhub, Uber Eats and Seamless at least twice a month. Now, you can currently earn 60,000 membership reward points if you spend $4,000 in your first 6 months with the Amex Gold Card. At the same time, Amex Gold Card card holders will receive not only the highest bonus to date, but also 3 months longer to meet the bonus spending requirement that is customary. Redeeming the points for travel purchases can result in about $600 towards your next vacation. The points can be transferred to a partner airline and be worth even more. For example, 60,000 points would be worth about $930 when transferred to Delta, rather than 1 cent if booked through the Amex portal. Now let's talk about the fine print. Your rewards and perks that come with each card are my main focus here. However, these cards won't be worth it if you are paying interest or late fees. When using a credit card, it's important to pay your balance in full each month, make payments on time, and only spend what you can afford to pay. With that being said, let's have a look at one of the most important parts, that is the card fine print and find out all these hidden costs attached to it. So if we take a look at the fine print, we notice the annual percentage APR will be between 15.99% to 22.99% based on your credit worthiness. APR for cash advances is 25.24% and it will vary with the market based on the prime rate. Penalty APR is 29.24%, which is really high compared to its peers. Other important disclosures are about fees, which could easily add up when using your card. For a cash advance, the fees either $10 or 5% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. For late payments, you will be charged up to $40. Foreign transactions have no fees, which is an amazing plus for this card. Now, let's see what value do you get by applying for this card. When you spend significant amounts of money buying food, whether you prefer to eat in or out, the American Express Gold Card gives you the ability to rack up rewards. Members can earn up to 4 points per dollar at US restaurants or worldwide, 4 points per dollar at US supermarkets up to $25,000 in purchases, and 3 points per dollar on flights booked directly with airlines or through AmexTravel.com, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The card offers one of the best rates on grocery and restaurant shopping, making it a valuable option for dining reward. Now, the airlines travel rewards are a bit limited because you get bonus points only on airfare bought directly from Amex that is booked directly through American Express Travel, rather than points on any and all travel purchases. Your American Express Gold Card can earn you some pretty valuable membership rewards points depending on how you redeem them. Now, among the wide diversity of transfer points from American Express, many redemptions are less than 1 cent per point. Members' rewards point values are currently averaging 1.19 cents each on average. Even though this isn't the highest point value you'll find on a reward card, it's still a good alternative when combined with a great rewards rate. To get back the $250 annual fee for the gold card, you will have to make the most of the card benefit. Now, let's find out how much each perk is estimated to be worth. Up to $120 per year in dining credit, $10 statement credit increments every month for purchases made with Grubhub, Seamless, the Cheesecake Factory, or even Shake Shack locations. Up to $120 per year in Uber Cash, which is actually $10 in Uber Cash every month that you can apply toward US Uber Eats orders and Uber rides in the US. Make sure that you will add your gold card as a payment method in your Uber account to benefit on this perk as well. Up to $100 credit at eligible hotel and resorts. Now, to be eligible, you'll need to stay a minimum of 2 consecutive nights at a property in the hotel collection, and you'll receive a $100 credit to spend on qualifying dining, spa, and resort activities. As a bonus, Amex provides shopping offers at many retailers like hotels, restaurants, and department stores known as Amex offers. These offers give you a statement credit or points for eligible spending after you activate. The downside, the annual fee of $250, which is not waived the first year. In theory, the fee is justified by the rewards the credit card offers. You will earn up to $120 in dining credits and up to $120 in Uber Cash. However, it is not so simple. The American Express Gold Card offers a great benefit, but it also comes with a bunch of terrible catches you have to deal with. Redeeming the $120 dining credit in $10 increments has to be done on a monthly basis, and it's valid only at certain restaurants and delivery services. In addition, Uber Cash must also be used at a rate of $10 per month, and it can only be used for Uber rides and Uber Eats in the US. You can transfer points with some airlines. You will have to pay a fee to do so. You get 4 points per dollar spent at US supermarkets, but there is an annual spending cap. Having said that, American Express membership reward points are useful because they can be redeemed in several ways. You can transfer the points to nearly 20 airline partners, most of them at 1-to-1 ratio. Additional American Express benefits include frequent transfer bonuses that help you maximize your earning potential. There are several airline transfer partners that are used frequently, including Delta and British Airways for SkyTeam and Iberia Avios for oneworld. Now, it's easy to redeem your points without using transfer partners, including a wide selection of gift cards in retail, hotel and restaurant categories. Member rewards points vary between 0.5 cents and 1 cent depending on the vendor. It's possible to use your points the same way at many vendors, including Amazon, where you will get 0.7 cents per membership reward point. Membership reward points can be used to book flights via American Express Travel for 1 cent per point. As a result, the flight booked with points may end up earning miles, depending on the fare code and price of the ticket. The cardholder can share all of the benefits of travel protection with up to 5 additional authorized cardholders without any additional fee. At the same time, this card is good for family use because the user can be as young as 13, so use it with your family, it's a good thing. American Express Gold Card travel insurance coverage includes trip delay insurance up to $300 per trip, baggage insurance up to $1,250 per person, and rental car insurance up to $50,000. Now, to be eligible for any of the travel insurance benefits, cardholders need to charge the entire cost of the trip or a rental vehicle to their Amex Gold Card account. The coverage is quite complex, so make sure to refer to the card's benefit guide for complete details. Amex Gold Card trip delay insurance covers up to $300 per trip with a maximum of 2 claims per year. Covered reasons for delays include weather, equipment failure, and lost or stolen passports. The benefit covers the primary cardholder, their family members, and any travel companions whose fares were paid for with the Amex Gold Card. Amex Gold Card baggage insurance pays for the loss of carry-on baggage up to $1,250 per person and checked baggage up to $500 per person. This benefit covers losses incurred while traveling to, from, and on a common travel carrier. At the same time, rental car insurance for the Amex Gold Card covers theft and damage of a rental vehicle, like I said before, up to $50,000. To be eligible, you must make the reservation in your name and decline any additional insurance offered by the rental agency. There are some exclusions to coverage, such as off-road vehicles and motorcycles. This card offers 2 other features: Plan It and Pay Over Time, that allows you to finance certain purchases over a period of time. Plan It lets you set up a payment plan for eligible purchases during which you pay a monthly fee instead of interest charges. With this feature, you know how much you'll pay each month. Pay Over Time lets you finance eligible purchases over a term with interest. There is a limit of the amount you can finance with a Pay Over Time plan, and it's set up case by case. Now, moving forward, another important topic is that credit requirement to obtain this card. Now, a lot of people have been wondering if this is a good card to get. Well, it is if you can get it. I'm going to show you how to apply now to get it in 2021 because it isn't always easy to get. It's recommended that you only apply for the American Express Gold Card if you have a FICO score of 730 or even higher. And it's something to consider before applying for the card. Like just about all the best travel reward cards, this card is for consumers with good or excellent credit. Using the pre-qualification tool in American Express website can help you determine whether you would qualify for a gold card based on your current credit score. You just need to put your name, your address, the last 4 digits of your social, and your income. Then you'll see all the Amex cards you have a high chance of approval for, which may include the Amex Gold Card. Just bear in mind the Amex Gold Card required credit score is higher than the average person's credit score at this moment. Don't forget that credit card applications aren't entirely determined by your credit score. If you have a good credit score, you have a greater chance of approval. However, in addition to that, you must consider other American Express application rules before applying. Another important information, the card has not set spending limit, as it is not a regular credit card. Credit limits are set monthly and are based on the cardholder's income, credit history, and payment history. So, is the Amex Gold worth it? The short answer, probably. Earning 4 points per dollar spent on dining out and at supermarkets in the US up to $25,000 per year, then 1 point is a rewarding benefit for many people. You can use membership rewards in many different ways, to collect travel rewards. However, you will have to jump through a couple of hoops if you are looking to offset the $250 annual fee with the credit you receive from this card. If you intend to keep the annual credits in the first year, you have to spend a minimum of $6,250 per year before the rewards exceed the annual fee, making this card an unattractive choice for many people. The card is still a winner for people who spend plenty on food and can take advantage of all the annual credits. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a great time. So if you did, please don't forget to crush the like button if you got any value from this video. It's 2021, so please subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you soon.